What if I told you that 7 free courses that anyone with an internet connection can take right now are quietly replacing a $150,000 college degree in the 2026 job market? I'm not talking about scams. I'm not talking about side hustles. I'm talking about Google and IBM, 2 of the biggest companies on earth, and they built these courses specifically because they stopped caring about your diploma. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which 7 courses these are, what they pay, the company's hiring people, who finishes them, and the one combination that's putting career changers on a path to 6 figures faster than any bachelor's degree on the market right now. And the 7th course on this list, it has the highest salary ceiling of any job here, $193,000 at the 75th percentile. If you're watching this right now, wondering how to actually pivot into AI work before it pivots out of yours, that last one is the one that you need to hear. Stay with me for the entire video. Let's get into it. Here's why this matters right now. In April 2026, 81% of employers say they now prioritize demonstrated skills over a 4-year degree. That's not my number. That's the World Economic Forum's own data from their 2025 Future of Jobs report. 26 states have stripped degree requirements from government jobs, and IBM removed them from half of their US roles. Google, Microsoft, Apple, Accenture, EY, all of them done. And here's the signal nobody's talking about. IBM just announced they are tripling their US entry-level hiring in 2026. Their chief HR officer said it out loud. If you are not hiring entry-level now, in 3 to 5 years, there's no pipeline. The well dries up. That means right now, while most people are still arguing about whether college is worth it, 2 of the biggest employers in the country are running a skills-first experiment in real time, and they are telling you exactly which courses they want you to take. So let's talk about those 7 courses. Course 1, started by Google in 2023. Today, 1.3 million people are enrolled, and the salary number about to hit your screen is the reason it's number 1 on this list, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Here's the payoff. The Bureau of Labor Statistics has the median salary for information security analysts at $124,910. 75th percentile hits $159,600. Top earners at 172 plus. Job growth projection through 2034, 29%. This is one of the few careers where the $150,000 framing isn't marketing. It's just the data, which means if you are staring at a rent bill right now, wondering how to get another $20,000 a year, this is a 6-month sprint, not a 4-year bet. The course itself, 6 months, under 10 hours a week, and you can audit the whole thing on Coursera for free. If you want the certificate, Coursera's financial aid covers it at no cost. The full paid price is about $294. Let me give you an example of who this works for. Think about Kessie, 24 years old, got his associates from a community college, worked help desk for 18 months, finished the certificate on the side, paired it with the CompTIA Security Plus, which, by the way, this course gives you a 30% discount for, drops the Security Plus exam from $425 to around $297. That's that. Google Cybersecurity Plus. Security Plus is the combination that's actually landing interviews at companies like American Express, Deloitte, T-Mobile, Walmart, and Verizon. 150 plus companies have committed to considering certificate holders through Google's employer consortium. And the 2025 update added an AI module, Google Gemini, Notebook LM, applied directly to cybersecurity workflows, which means you are not just learning 2022 cybersecurity, you're learning what hiring managers want in 2026. Now here's the real talk. This certificate alone will not get you hired at a major company on day one. 73% of quote unquote entry level cybersecurity jobs want 2 to 3 years of experience. That's the game. But stacked with the Security Plus and Home Lab portfolios on TryHackMe, you're in the conversation because you have the experience. And the conversation is where every six-figure offer starts. Course 1, free path available, $124,000 median salary. Check it off the list. Course 2, and here's the one almost nobody on YouTube is telling you about, because the hook on this one isn't the salary. It's something the American Council of Education did in 2024, the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. This certificate is ACE recommended. Now, what does that mean? It means the American Council on Education has evaluated this course and said it can count for up to 12 actual college credits at participating universities. That's the equivalent of one full semester of undergrad coursework and 12 credits for a course that costs you under $200 total or free through Coursera financial aid. No other certificate on this list carries that institutional weight. On the salary side, IBM Data Analyst at IBM itself average around $97,000 a year, and top earners at IBM hit $142,000 a year. Business intelligence analysts cross $102,000 nationally. For anyone who's been told they need to go back to school before they can level up, that ACE credit number is your permission to stop listening. Now, is this the highest ceiling on this list? No. The honest truth is most data analyst roles cap around 120,000. And if you want to push past that, you move into data engineering or data science. But this certificate is the cleanest entry point into that entire career trajectory. And IBM is tripling their entry-level hiring this year. If you have an IBM badge on your LinkedIn, you are searchable by recruiters. Literally, they filter by it. 3 to 4 months to complete, under $200 paid or free with financial aid, ACE credits that you can transfer. It's the sleeper pick. Course 3, the Google Project Management Professional Certificate. Now think about Priya, 36 years old, spent 8 years in administrative coordination roles, never broke $65,000 a year, took this course over 6 months while working full-time, cost her $294. Here's what the full course actually did for her. And this is the part that most people don't understand about this certificate. The Project Management Institute, PMI, is the gold standard body for project management credentials. Their top certification, the PMP, requires 35 hours of formal project management education before you can even sit for the exam. Guess what Google Project Management Certificate officially counts as? 35 hours of formal education. Google just handed you the education requirement for the credential that takes entry-level PM salaries from $65,000 all the way to $120 plus. BLS has the median for project management specialist at 100,750. 75th percentile at 131,000. And top earners, 165 plus. Yes. Entry-level project coordinator roles start in the 50 to 65,000 range. But with the Google Cert plus the PMP stack, which Google just made accessible to you for $294, you're inside the 120,000 salary band in 3 to 5 years. That's the difference between being the person running the meetings and being the person taking notes in them. That's your ROI math. I'm about to get to course 4, which is the one Google itself quotes $134,000 salary for. And then in 3 more courses, I'm going to show you the one with the highest ceiling of anything on this list. Pay attention to what changes between them, because that is your strategy. Course 4, Google Advanced Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Google itself cites a median entry-level salary of $134,000 for roles that this certificate qualifies you for. That's not a random blog stat. That's from Lightcast's 2024 U.S. job posting analysis. Google publishes this number on their own website. And I'm going to give you the full truth. That 134,000 figure applies to senior data analyst and junior data science roles, not your first data entry analyst job. Entry-level data analysts typically start between 50 and 75,000. So the path looks like this. Year 1 and 2, you're building a portfolio in the $60,000 to $80,000 range. Year 3 and 5, you're stepping into the senior analyst or junior data scientist tier. That's where the 134 number lives. What this course gives you that the base Google Data Analytics course does not: Python, Jupyter, machine learning fundamentals, Tableau, real AI library integration added in 2025 updates. Now, quick note, this is the second level certificate. Google assumes you've completed the base Google Data Analytics cert first. So budget 6 months for that, then another 6 for this. 12 months total, under $600 paid or free through financial aid. That's the upgrade path. Course 5, and I need to push back on something every other YouTube channel is telling you right now. If you've watched any video about Google certificates in the last 6 months, they've probably pitched this one as a shortcut to a $100,000 job. That's not what's happening in the UX market in 2026. Here's what's actually happening. The Google UX Design Professional Certificate. The UX market in 2026 is tough. Entry-level UX design saw a 71% decrease in job openings between 2022 and 2023. Less than 5% of tech companies hire pure entry-level UX talent right now, and that's the honest reality. So why is this course still on the list? Because the ceiling on UX design is one of the highest on this entire list. Senior UX designers at Glassdoor, median 180,000. Principal at staff UX roles at 253,000. The floor is brutal, but the ceiling is real. If you are in your 40s watching this wondering if it's too late, the ceiling roles are where the age in your career actually starts to count in your favor. If you take this course, here's the path that actually works. You don't rely on the certificate. You use the certificate to learn the fundamentals, and then you build a portfolio of 3 to 5 real case studies on your own. Freelance projects, redesigns of local businesses, volunteer design for nonprofits. That portfolio is what opens doors, not the badge. So treat this as a $294 investment to learn the skills and build toward the 200,000 ceiling, not a one-step guarantee to a job. If you're willing to put in the portfolio work, this becomes one of the most lucrative paths on this list. If you're not, skip it and pick one of the other 6. Before I hit the last 2 courses, which are the highest ceiling of this entire list? Let me ask you for 10 seconds. 3 out of 4 people watching this channel right now are not subscribed. If you are getting value out of this video, the subscribe button is right below me. It's free. It tells YouTube to send you more of this information. And if you want the full PDF of these 7 courses, salary data, enrollment links, all of it, I drop new career intelligence like this every week at nextgenheights.com. The link is in the description. Now let's get to the big 2. Course 6, IBM Full Stack Software Developer Professional Certificate. This is the one that IBM updated in 2025 and 2026 with something called vibe coding. And if you haven't heard that term yet, you will soon. It is the AI assisted development workflow that is defining what junior developer roles will actually look like for the next decade. The course teaches you GitHub Copilot, Google Gemini, NAN, agentic AI workflows built in, and IBM knows what is coming. This is the course that they updated to match it. The salary band that I'm about to show you on this one is strong. But wait until you see the next course, because what IBM did with that certificate in 2026 changes the math on everything. On the salary side, IBM full stack developers at IBM itself range from 104,000 to 157,000. Average internal base around 128,000. BLS software developer average nationally is 132,000 to 270. Glassdoor's median for full stack developers with 0 to 1 year of experience sits at 100,000. Now here's the honest reality check on this one. Software development is the hardest field on this list to break into at entry level from a certificate alone. And you need a GitHub portfolio, multiple deployed applications, real code that people can click and use. The certificate gets you to the conversation. The portfolio gets you the offer. But if you pair this with AWS Certified Developer Associate, you're looking at 165,000 average salary impact for that combined stack. And it takes 4 months to complete, under $200 paid or free through financial aid. It's the course that teaches you how developers will work in 2026, not 2019. And that matters. In course 7, and I saved the biggest for last, because if you finish this one and hit the 75th percentile in the job market, you're at $193,000 a year. Let me show you how. IBM Generative AI Engineering Professional Certificate. I want you to think about Marcus. 41 years old, marketing operations manager for 12 years, salary plateaued at $98,000 a year. He watched AI tools start eating pieces of his job, and instead of panicking, he spent 6 months going through this certificate on the side. Here's the full payoff range. Generative AI engineer salaries on Glassdoor currently run from $103,000 at entry to $193,300 at the 75th percentile. The average Gen AI engineer in the United States pulls $138,000 a year, and specialist roles are quoted at $150,000 to $210,000. This is the highest ceiling on the entire list, and here's what's different about this certificate versus the others. IBM pledged free AI training to 2 million adults by the end of 2026, and this certificate is part of that commitment, which means IBM has a direct stake, financial and reputational, in whether graduates of this course land jobs. 4 to 6 months to complete, and $354 paid, or you can get it free through IBM Skills Build at skillsbuild.org. The honest caveat, this is listed as a beginner, but you need Python familiarity to really get through it, and it's intermediate despite IBM's label. The 2025 and 2026 updates added LangChain, RAG, Hugging Face integration, and these are the exact terms showing up in AI engineering job postings right now. If you can invest 6 months and you have any coding background at all, this certificate is the highest return on investment on this list, period. And that's not a pivot. That's a career replacement, and it's available to anyone with 6 months and a working laptop. Okay, 7 courses, and here's what I want you to take away. You don't pick one, you stack them. And if you want the fastest 6-figure path, pair Google Cybersecurity with CompTIA Security Plus. If you want the highest ceiling, pair IBM Generative AI Engineering with GitHub Portfolio. And if you're already working and want to pivot without quitting your job, IBM Data Analyst gives you ACE credits that you can transfer to a degree later while you're earning in the role. The total investment across any of these paths, $0 to $400 in 6 to 12 months of your own time. Compare that to $40,000 to $180,000 for a 4-year degree that may or may not even be required anymore in the job that you actually want. I put the full comparison, every enrollment link, the financial aid instructions, and the exact stack order that I'd recommend in a free resource on nextgenheights.com. It's the 2026 Career Protection Playbook. Download the link in the description. And look, the playbook shows you exactly what to do, but if you want to make sure that you actually do it, that's what the Career Accelerator 90 is for. 12 weeks, live coaching. We walk you through your specific certificate stack and job search and plan it together. Details are in the description if you're ready to move. 7 courses, 2 companies, $0 to $400, $150,000 ceiling. The information is free. The decision to take action is yours. And if this video helped you, drop a comment below with which course that you are starting with. I try to read every single comment. This is Antoine Wade. Keep climbing, and we'll see you in the next video.